Hi, this is Cassie Hartstrong, and I am using an iPad with the TouchChat HD WordPower app on it. Current layout is WordPower 60 Basic, and I'm going to show you how to access and utilize the whiteboard feature, and also to create whiteboard buttons that may be motivating to your students. So from the home page, I'm going to go up to Groups. And if I come down on the bottom row here, I can see a whiteboard. And from here, when I tap the screen, I can draw on this board, which may be fun for your students. So I just wanted to show you the whiteboard. So we are going to, I'm gonna clear it. I'm gonna go back, and what I'm gonna do is go up to Menu, Edit Page. I'm going to select that whiteboard button, and I'm going to select Copy Button. And then I'm still in red, which means I'm in edit mode, so I'm going to touch Done. And now I can paste that button wherever I want. For instance, I want to go into Art, and I want to paste a whiteboard button right here. Edit page. This is one that I was messing around with earlier. It could easily, I could just put it right here and have two, or this one didn't do what I wanted it to do, so I'm going to put it right over the top. I'm going to touch it and just select Paste Button. And when I select Done, now this button will go to the whiteboard. Also, from here, I want to make another whiteboard button to put in my pets section. So I want to make kind of like a coloring page. So I'm going to say Menu, Edit Page, Menu. I'm going to copy the page. Copy the page, duplicate it, and let's call this Whiteboard Cat. I'm gonna push Done, save. So now Whiteboard Cat exists within the device, and if I go to Groups and into Pets, I can add a whiteboard that goes to a cat whiteboard right here by selecting Menu, Edit Page, edit this button. Let's try coloring page. We can select image and search for it. Let's find coloring. I like that one. And then instead of speaking the message, I'm going to add an action. We are going to go to Navigate, and we're going to search for that page Whiteboard Cat that we made. There it is, Whiteboard Cat. No animation. Save it. Done. And one last step here. Going into this coloring page, it looks just like the other one. So we're going to edit this. Menu, Edit Page, and tapping this big button, edit this button, and we are just going to add a picture to it. Select Image. I'm going to do a cat. We can search for whatever cat picture we want in here. I like this cat right here. Gonna save it. Done. And now I can click on this and color the cat. Of course, you can always change this by going into Menu, Edit Page, click the big button, edit this button, select image, search for an image. Now maybe we want a hamster. That one. Save. Now we have a hamster that we can color. Okay, that's it. I hope this is fun for you and your students.